Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful and trendy, most wearing, most demanding women crocheted hand jewelry, women crocheted ring designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for stylish ladies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crocheted hand ring designs, stylish ring designs, beautiful ideas, stylish color combination contrasts, light and dark colors, beautiful colors, stylish colors. Every design is different one another, beautiful and trendy, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet rings. You can easily make these very beautiful rings if you know crochet work. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet rings. If you want to buy this very beautiful ring design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Highly running ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. You can see beautiful designing ideas. Gives a feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet ring designs, stylish rings, beautiful rings. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.